Unprecedented pictures on the normally tightly controlled Syrian state television. Government soldiers battling on the streets after an explosion that may have changed Syria's future. The men who died were among the inner circle. Daoud Rajha, the Minister of Defence, Mohamed al-Shaar, the Minister of the Interior, Hassan Turkmani, the Deputy Vice President and head of the crisis cell, and the most important figure of all, Assef Shawket. He may have had a less impressive title than the others, Deputy Defence Minister, but he was President Assad's brother-in-law and one of his very closest advisors. The attack comes after days of violence, with the Free Syrian Army launching audacious attacks all around the Syrian capital. Experts believe the bombing was well planned and carefully timed. It couldn't have been carried out by someone who didn't have the highest security clearance. The Crisis Command Cell was based in a building on Damascus's Rajha Square. It had moved a few months ago after a defector revealed its previous location on al-Jazeera. In some suburbs there have been celebrations amid reports of fresh military defections in Damascus. Elsewhere in the city, the gunfire has continued. The regime has moved fast, appointing a new defence minister and moving tanks around key strategic locations, including the presidential palace.
What is happening inside Syria is a final attempt for their plotting. It's those who spoke in the past few days and want to terrorize Damascus and its residents. They spoke about the final fight in Damascus. I confirm to them this is the final battle. I confirm this, not only in Damascus, but in the whole of Syria.
It is clear, though, this is a grave blow for the regime. The question is whether it's also a mortal blow. James Bays, Al Jazeera.